Hey there, health enthusiasts! You know I love to snack, and I especially love snacks that are good for you and taste amazing. It's like having your cake and eating it too, right? Today, we're diving into the world of super seeds, these tiny but mighty wonders that can supercharge your immune system naturally. Who needs a superhero cape when you have super seeds, am I right? We're talking about boosting your health from the inside out, and these super seeds are here to help you achieve that. Get ready to discover the top 5 super seeds that will have you feeling like you can conquer the world. So buckle up, grab your favorite healthy snack, and get ready to learn how to take your health and well-being to the next level with these incredible super seeds. Chia seeds. First up, we have the incredible chia seed. You know, those tiny little black and white seeds that were all the rage a few years back? Well, they're still just as amazing, and for good reason. These little guys are like the overachievers of the seed world, packed with more nutrients than you can shake a stick at. First of all, let's talk about fiber. Chia seeds are bursting with fiber, which is fantastic news for your digestion. We all know how important it is to keep things moving, right? And chia seeds are here to help you do just that. They're like the ultimate digestive cheerleaders. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are also a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. And we all know how important protein is for feeling full and satisfied, which can be a lifesaver when you're trying to eat healthy. And if that weren't enough, chia seeds are also packed with omega-3 fatty acids. You know, those healthy fats that are so good for your heart and brain? Well, chia seeds have got you covered. They're like little heart-healthy heroes in seed form. But the benefits don't stop there. Chia seeds are also a good source of various micronutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are essential for maintaining strong bones, regulating blood pressure, and supporting overall health. So how can you incorporate these amazing seeds into your diet? Well, it's easier than you might think. You can sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. You can even add them to smoothies for an extra boost of nutrition. And here's a fun fact. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, which makes them a great addition to puddings and jams. They create this fun gel-like texture that's both delicious and satisfying. So if you're looking for a simple and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake, look no further than chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with a powerful nutritional punch that will leave you feeling your absolute best. You can get creative with chia seeds in your kitchen. Try adding them to your baked goods like muffins or bread for an extra nutritional kick. Or mix them into your favorite beverages like lemon water or iced tea for a refreshing and healthy twist. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. So why not start incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine today? Your body will thank you, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Next up, we have another superstar in the world of super seeds, flax seeds. These little brown seeds may be small, but they are mighty when it comes to health benefits, especially for your heart. Flax seeds are like the ultimate heart-healthy heroes. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Think of ALA as a superhero for your heart, fighting off bad cholesterol and keeping your ticker ticking strong. But that's not all. Flax seeds are also an excellent source of lignans, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and estrogen-like effects. Lignans have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, as well as improved heart health. And if you're looking for a boost of fiber, look no further than flax seeds. These little seeds are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now here's a little tip to get the most out of your flax seeds. It's best to grind them before eating. This helps your body absorb all of their amazing nutrients. You can buy pre-ground flaxseed meal, or you can grind them yourself using a coffee grinder or food processor. Once you've got your ground flaxseed, the possibilities are endless. You can sprinkle it on cereal, yogurt, or salads. You can add it to smoothies or baked goods. You can even mix it with water to make a flaxseed egg for vegan baking. So, if you're looking for a simple and delicious way to boost your heart health and overall well-being, be sure to add flax seeds to your diet. Your heart will thank you. 3 hemp seeds, protein powerhouse. Now, let's talk about hemp seeds. No, not that kind of hemp. These seeds won't get you high, but they will give you a healthy dose of protein, essential fatty acids, and other important nutrients. Hemp seeds are like the ultimate plant-based protein source. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein, which is pretty rare in the plant world. This makes them an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to up their protein intake. But wait, there's more. Hemp seeds are also a great source of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. They're also a good source of minerals like magnesium, potassium, and zinc, which are all essential for maintaining good health. And if you're watching your fat intake, you'll be happy to know that hemp seeds contain a healthy balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids are important for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. So how can you enjoy these nutty flavored seeds? Hemp seeds are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. You can sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. You can add them to smoothies or use them to make hemp milk. You can even roast them for a crunchy snack. And here's a fun fact. Hemp seeds are a sustainable food source. Hemp plants grow quickly and require minimal pesticides or herbicides. So, by choosing hemp seeds, you're not only doing something good for your body, but you're also doing something good for the planet. So, next time you're looking for a nutritious and delicious way to boost your protein intake, reach for some hemp seeds. Your body will thank you. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty for immunity. Moving on to pumpkin seeds then. You know those flat green seeds you usually scoop out of your Halloween pumpkin? They might seem insignificant, but they pack a powerful punch. Well, don't throw them away. These seeds are more valuable than you might think. These little seeds are nutritional powerhouses that deserve a place in your pantry year-round. They are small but mighty, offering a range of health benefits. First of all, pumpkin seeds are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining overall health. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. They are like tiny villains wreaking havoc in your body. Antioxidants are like little superheroes that neutralize free radicals and keep your cells healthy. But that's not all. They also help reduce inflammation and support your immune system. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of zinc, which is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in immune function. Zinc is crucial for maintaining a strong and healthy immune system. Zinc helps your body fight off infections and heal wounds. It's like having a personal bodyguard that keeps you safe from harm. It's like the commander-in-chief of your immune system, making sure your defenses are always strong. Without enough zinc, your immune system can become compromised. And if you're looking for a natural way to improve your sleep, pumpkin seeds may be just what you need. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes sleep. They're a good source of magnesium, which is a mineral that helps relax your muscles and promote restful sleep. Magnesium is essential for a good night's rest. Magnesium is like a warm bath for your brain, calming your nerves and preparing you for a good night's rest. But wait, there's more. It also supports brain health and reduces stress. Pumpkin seeds are also a good source of iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Iron is vital for energy production and overall vitality. Iron is especially important for women, who are more prone to iron deficiency. Ensuring you get enough iron can help prevent fatigue and improve overall health. So how can you enjoy these delicious and nutritious seeds? There are countless ways to incorporate them into your diet. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. They can be a tasty addition to many dishes. You can roast them with your favorite seasonings for a crunchy snack. Experiment with different flavors to find your favorite combination. You can add them to trail mixes or granola bars for a boost of nutrition. They add a delightful crunch and a nutritional punch. You can even sprinkle them on salads or soups for added flavor and texture. They make a great topping for a variety of dishes. So, next time you carve a pumpkin, be sure to save those seeds. Don't let these little gems go to waste. They're a delicious and nutritious way to boost your immune system and overall health. Incorporate them into your diet and enjoy the benefits they offer. 5. Sesame seeds. Tiny seeds, big on flavor and nutrition. Last but not least, let's talk about sesame seeds. These tiny seeds may be small, but they are packed with flavor and nutrition. You probably know them best as the sprinkles on your hamburger bun, but there's so much more than just a garnish. Sesame seeds have a rich history and have been cherished in various cultures for their unique taste and health benefits. Sesame seeds have been used in traditional medicine for centuries and for good reason. Ancient civilizations recognized their healing properties and incorporated them into their daily diets and medicinal practices. They're a good source of several minerals, including copper, manganese, and calcium. Copper is essential for iron absorption and helps your body produce energy. Manganese is important for bone health and metabolism, and calcium, as we all know, is crucial for strong bones and teeth. But that's not all. These minerals work together to support various bodily functions, ensuring that your body operates smoothly and efficiently. Sesame seeds are also a good source of lignans, those plant compounds we talked about earlier that have antioxidant and estrogen-like effects. Lignans have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, as well as improved heart health. And if you're looking for a natural way to reduce inflammation, sesame seeds may be just what you need. They contain a compound called sesamin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural part of your body's healing process, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a variety of health problems. Sesamin helps keep inflammation in check, promoting overall health and well-being. Additionally, the antioxidants in sesame seeds help combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and lead to aging and disease. So how can you enjoy these flavorful and nutritious seeds? Sesame seeds are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. You can sprinkle them on salads, stir-fries, or noodle dishes for added flavor and crunch. You can use them to make tahini, a delicious paste that's a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine. You can even find sesame seed oil, which has a nutty flavor and is great for stir-frying or as a salad dressing. So next time you're looking for a simple and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake, don't forget about sesame seeds. They can also be incorporated into baked goods like bread and cookies, adding a delightful texture and taste. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can enhance your health in numerous ways. From supporting bone health to reducing inflammation, sesame seeds are a small but mighty addition to your diet. Embrace the power of these tiny seeds and enjoy the myriad of benefits they offer. Supercharge your health with super seeds. There you have it, folks. 5 super seeds that are easy to find, easy to add to your diet, and packed with health benefits. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health, these tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses that can make a big difference in your overall well-being. So I encourage you to try incorporating these super seeds into your meals and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into your smoothies, or just grab a handful for a quick and healthy snack. Every little bit counts. Remember, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, the simplest changes can make the biggest difference. So go ahead and give these super seeds a try. Your body will thank you for it. If you liked today's video, give us your thumbs up and leave us your comments below on the content. Thanks for watching, and consider to subscribe to your channel for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next video.